The world of AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, and in the coming years, it's expected to be even more integrated into our daily lives and businesses. With the right tools and strategies, AI can help you create new income streams, automate tedious tasks, and scale your efforts like never before. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, freelancer, influencer, or side hustler, there's an AI tool out there to help you earn. In this video, I'll be sharing 6 AI tools that will help you make money online. For each AI tool, I'll briefly show you how to use it, review the pricing plans, and explain how you can use it to make money online. So stick around till the end of this video so that you don't miss out on the important tips I'll be including for every AI tool. If you're new here, kindly take a moment to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. The first AI tool is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI-powered text-to-speech tool designed to create realistic voiceovers in multiple languages. It's perfect for creating professional quality audio content with minimal effort. Coming from someone who uses ElevenLabs, I can confidently say this is the best text-to-speech AI tool out there. Believe it or not, the voice you're listening to is courtesy of ElevenLabs. Actually, the only thing I did was upload a recording of my voice to their instant voice cloning feature. ElevenLabs has really helped enhance the voiceover for my voice. You don't even have to start with your own voice. If you don't want to use voice cloning, you can still use their built-in voices. The best part is that their voices sound very realistic and they're really good. To get started, head over to the description of this video. I've added a link to access ElevenLabs, and then you'll sign up for an account. In your ElevenLabs account, click on Voices. This will open the voices already available in ElevenLabs. You can choose any voice you like. Maybe click on one to listen to how it sounds. If you like it, you can click the Use button, which is on the right side of the selected voice. This will take you to a section where you can type your text and have it converted into speech using the voice you selected. Now, if you want to clone your own voice, click on the Voices tab again, and then click the Add New Voice button. This will open a menu with the options: Voice Design, Instant Voice Clone, Professional Voice Clone, and Voice Library. The option you'll select is Instant Voice Clone. In this section, you'll enter the name for your new voice and upload a short audio sample. For best results, they recommend providing an audio sample that is less than 5 minutes long. After uploading your audio, you can check the box to remove background noise from the audio sample. This will ensure the background noise is eliminated. Next, you'll add labels. To do this, click on the plus sign here. You'll see an example with a key and a value. For example, you can write accent as the key and American as the value. And then you can add more labels. For instance, you can add age as the key and assign a value such as young adult, young, or middle-aged. Another label you can add is for gender. Under the key, you'll write gender. And for the value, you'll specify whether it's female or male. Here's an important tip that can help you. Since you may not know all the keys and values that work well in ElevenLabs, you can check the labels for their built-in voices. Click the View button to see the labels for a particular voice. However, the issue is that you may not know the corresponding key for each value. The best solution is to head over to ChatGPT and ask it for the key corresponding to a specific value. For example, if the voice has the value narration, you can ask ChatGPT something like, "What's the key for the value narration?" You can also ask it to suggest additional labels you can use in ElevenLabs. Now back to voice cloning. After adding your labels, you can leave the description field blank, as there's no need to fill it out. Then check the box and click Add Voice. Your new cloned voice will be added to the Voices tab. To use your voice, click View, then click the Use button located in the bottom right corner. You can also edit the voice by clicking Edit. You can add up to 30 voices since you have 30 slots, meaning you can add more voices if needed. That's one of the great features of using ElevenLabs for voice cloning. I'll create a full detailed video about ElevenLabs and how to use it effectively for the best results, so stay tuned because I'll be dropping that video soon. Now let's talk about the pricing for ElevenLabs. The starter plan is $5 per month and includes 30,000 credits. The creator plan, which is the most popular, costs $11 for the first month, but from the second month onward, it will cost $22 per month. It provides 100,000 credits, which are sufficient if you plan to produce more voiceovers. If you need even more credits, you can opt for the Pro plan, which costs $99 per month and gives you 500,000 credits. It's an excellent choice for more extensive projects. You also have the option to switch to the yearly plan if you prefer to pay for the entire year upfront. If I were to recommend the best pricing options, I'd suggest either starting with the Creator plan, which is the one I'm currently using, or upgrading to the Pro plan for even more credits. Both plans are excellent for creating more voiceovers depending on your project needs. How can you use ElevenLabs ElevenLabs to make money. You can use it to create voiceovers for content creation, whether it's for YouTube videos, social media platforms, podcasts, or ads. If you don't have good recording equipment like a quality microphone, you can rely on ElevenLabs to create voiceovers for your videos. Additionally, ElevenLabs is a great tool for creating audiobooks for self-published authors. You can offer this as a freelancing service or side hustle. Another way to make money with ElevenLabs is by offering AI voiceover services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr. If you're skeptical about whether this is a viable way to make money, let me tell you, I was surprised to find people already doing this on Fiverr. They even have ratings, which means they've successfully made money offering these services. It's a great way to earn an income online. The second AI tool is HeyGen. HeyGen is an innovative AI-powered video generation platform that allows users to create professional quality videos with AI avatars. HeyGen is ideal for creating explainer videos, tutorials, and marketing content without needing to show your face. To get started, I've added a link to HeyGen in the description as well. Click on it and sign up for an account. For the free trial account, HeyGen allows you to create up to 3 videos. Once you've completed the 3 videos, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. This will be the homepage for your HeyGen account. On the left corner, you can see the different tabs you can switch to. You have the option to either upload your own avatar or use the avatars already available on their platform. To add your avatar, click on Avatars, then click on Create Photo Avatar and click Upload. You can either drag and drop your photo here or select your photo from your computer files. It's also a good idea to review the photo requirements listed to ensure your photo meets their specifications. After uploading your photo, you'll wait for the system to validate whether your photo meets the requirements. Once your photo is approved, click Continue. You'll then name your avatar, provide its age, gender, and ethnicity, and click Continue. The system will then validate the photo, a process that may take a few minutes. When the validation is complete, your photo will appear in the Avatars section. Click on your photo avatar, and then click on the Add Motion button. This will convert your image into a 10-second video with full background and body motion, essentially creating a motion effect for your photo avatar. Generating the motion may also take a few minutes, so again, be patient. Once it's ready, you can click on it and play the video to view the motion effect it has created. If you don't like the first motion created for your avatar, you can click on Regenerate Motion. However, based on the tests I've done using the HeyGen platform, here's an important tip. For the best results, close the first motion that was created, go back to the same photo avatar, and click Add Motion again instead of regenerating the motion. After a motion has been added to your avatar, to edit the video and add your own audio, click on Create with AI Studio. This will take you to the editor, where you can add your audio and remove the default audio that HeyGen has added for you. This is where ElevenLabs comes in again. You'll use it to generate the voiceover. To remove the default audio, click on the script here and press Delete on your keyboard. You'll then be prompted to either add a script, record, or upload an audio file. Select the option to upload an audio file and upload the audio file you downloaded from ElevenLabs. Once the audio is uploaded, click Submit. You'll then be prompted to name the video and choose the resolution for it. If you're using the free trial, the maximum resolution available will be 720p. However, if you're on a paid plan, you'll have the option to select 1080p. You can leave the other settings as they are. Additionally, you can remove the watermark if you're on a paid plan. Unfortunately, if you're using the free trial, you won't be able to remove the HeyGen watermark. Once you're done, click Submit and give it time to create your video. The platform will then show you the progress of your video creation right here. When it's done, it will allow you to click and play the video. So, let's watch the preview for this video. Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and lets me know you're finding this content helpful. Wow, that turned out so well. I really like it. Can you believe this is AI generated? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments about this final video created by HeyGen. To download your video, simply go ahead and download it from here, and it will be saved to your computer. Now, let's move on to reviewing HeyGen's pricing plans. They have the Creator Plan, which costs $29 per month. This plan allows you to generate unlimited videos, which is very convenient. However, it limits the video duration to 5 minutes. For example, if you want to generate a video from a certain audio file, you'll need to ensure the audio is less than 5 minutes if you're using the Creator Plan. You'll only be able to export or download videos that are under 5 minutes long. Additionally, the Creator Plan allows you to export videos in 1080p and includes everything in the free plan. The next plan is the Teams Plan, which costs $89 per month. Video generation is unlimited as well, but with this plan, you can create and download videos of up to 30 minutes in length. It also allows exports in 1080p and includes all the features of the Creator Plan. This plan is the most popular. Finally, there's the enterprise plan, but for this option, you'll need to contact them directly for pricing and details. I'd recommend you either go for the creator plan, which is the one I'm currently using, or the teams plan, depending on your project's needs. How can you use HeyGen to make money? First, you can create explainer videos for businesses or startups and offer them as a freelancing service. Additionally, you can develop educational content for online courses. If you want to teach people something you're skilled at, you can create your own course and sell it online. Next, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generator that allows you to create unique and imaginative artwork. To get started, sign up for an account. Currently, I'm on the Explore page, where you can view other people's creations. To switch to a different tab, you can navigate from the left corner. To create an image, click on Create. This is where you'll add your prompt and let Midjourney do the work for you. You can also adjust some of the settings by clicking on the settings icon. For example, you can change the aspect ratio to portrait, square, or landscape. If you want to choose the model, you can switch it from this side. Additionally, you can modify settings like stylization, weirdness, and variety. Below, you'll also find options for speed, such as fast or relaxed. Here are some examples of images I've created. Midjourney generates 4 different images per prompt. If you click on one of the images, you'll see action or modification options below. These allow you to modify or refine the generated images. You can adjust variations, whether subtle or strong, or upscale, rerun, or edit the image. To download any image, simply click the download icon. However, it's better to upscale an image before downloading it for the best quality. I'll create an in-depth video about Midjourney, where I'll also show you the best prompt styles to use for achieving the best results. Stay tuned for that video. Now, for the pricing, Midjourney doesn't have a free plan, so keep that in mind. The basic plan costs $10 per month and offers 3 hours of fast GPU time. The standard plan is priced at $30 per month and provides 15 hours of GPU time. The Pro plan costs $60 per month, offering 30 hours, while the Mega plan, priced at $120 per month, provides 60 hours of GPU time. Each plan includes additional features, so you can select the one that best fits your needs. This is how you can use Midjourney to make money. First, you can create and sell AI-generated artwork on your website or platforms like Gumroad or print-on-demand services. I've already made a video about starting a print-on-demand business. You can watch it after this video. The link to that video is in the description. You can also generate images to sell as digital products, such as clip art, stickers, wallpapers, and more. Additionally, you can create images to use in t-shirt designs or picture books. Another AI image generator to consider is Leonardo AI. You can use it to generate AI artwork as well, and the best part is that you can get started for free. Leonardo AI renews credits every day, giving you 150 credits daily to keep creating and experimenting. Like Midjourney, you'll add your prompt here and it will generate your image. Before clicking generate, you'll need to change the model, which you can do from this section. You can also adjust the style, contrast, dimensions, and the number of images below. To download an image, simply click on the generated image and then click the download icon. As for pricing plans, Leonardo AI offers the Apprentice plan for $12 per month, the Artisan Unlimited plan for $30 per month, the Maestro Unlimited plan for $60 per month, and Leonardo for Teams, which starts at $24 per seat per month. When it comes to using Leonardo AI to make money, you can also create and sell AI-generated images, whether as digital products or physical products. The process is essentially the same as with Midjourney. The next AI tool is Bubble. Bubble is a no-code platform that allows you to build apps quickly and efficiently. It's perfect for anyone who wants to develop apps without extensive coding knowledge. So, if you've been thinking about creating your own app but lack the coding expertise to do so, Bubble is the solution for you. You can get started for free to try it out, but you'll need to upgrade later if you want your app to be fully functional and live. To get started, sign up for an account. Once you're in, this is what your account will look like. Inside, you'll be dragging and dropping components to build your app. Now for Bubble, I won't be going into detail in this video. That's because I've set a little challenge for myself. I'm going to try building an app using Bubble. I'll record the whole process and share it in a video so you can see exactly how to use this AI tool. Once it's done, I'll release it so you can see how easy or maybe how challenging it might be. Still, let me know in the comments if that's something you'd like to watch. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Before I move on, I want to say a big thank you for watching the video up to this point. Also, I would appreciate it if you like this video, as it motivates me to keep posting more amazing content. As for the pricing plans, Bubble offers the starter plan at $32 per month, the growth plan at $134 per month, the team plan at $399 per month, and for the enterprise plan, you'll need to contact them for pricing details. Here's how you can use Bubble to make money. You can develop and sell custom apps or offer app development services services. The sixth AI tool is PhotoRoom. PhotoRoom is an AI-powered photo editing tool designed to help you create professional quality images for e-commerce, social media, and marketing. To get started, simply sign up for an account. You can choose to start with their templates by selecting one you like. For example, let's say you want to use this template. Just click on it and then replace the image with your own. Afterward, you can make adjustments to ensure the image looks good on the background. Alternatively, you can start with a blank canvas and choose between landscape, portrait, or square, depending on the image and final look you want to achieve. Let's say you choose square. Click here to insert your image, then resize it from the corners. To add a background, select from the AI backgrounds suggested on the right side. Keep in mind that some backgrounds may have a pro icon, so if you're using a free account, choose one that is free. In my case, I'll click on this one, and as you can see, PhotoRoom has enhanced my product image, making it suitable for use on an e-commerce website. They offer more background options, so you can select the one that best suits your image. For pricing, the Pro plan is $4.99. They also have a Teams plan, which includes 3 seats for the same price of $4.99. If you want to add additional seats, you'll still pay $4.99 per seat. For the Enterprise plan, you'll need to contact them for more details. They also offer a weekly plan for $1.99, which is ideal if you just want to use it for 1 week. The yearly plan costs $34.99. How can you make money with this AI tool? Start by searching for online businesses with low-quality images. Offer a free sample by using PhotoRoom to enhance a couple of their photos and show the difference. Then, sell your services by providing a complete product image revamp for a fixed price. Businesses often spend thousands on professional photography, so you can charge between $500 and $1,000 per project. You can also offer to create high-quality product images on platforms like Fiverr. AI tools have evolved from being cool gadgets to real game changers when it comes to making money. Whether you're creating amazing images, automating tasks for your business, or enhancing your existing skills, these tools make it much easier to work smarter, not harder. What's the next step? Don't just watch the video and leave it at that. Give these tools a try. Start with a small project, test out a few ideas, and see what works. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see how AI can become your go-to side gig for earning money. Remember, the links to all the AI tools mentioned in this video will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in this next video.